Customize your own power distribution at Larson Electronics. We build to your specs right here at our own Texas-based location. Pole mount transformers, spider boxes, rack mount power, full-size and portable power distribution units, all customized with your receptacles, plugs, outlets, breakers, cables, voltage, and kVA range. Stainless steel units or powder-coated colors. Mix and match inlets, outlets, breakers, and more. Pad mount transformers are available in a wide range of kVA. Custom gauges can be mounted to the units. NEMA 3R rated enclosures for indoor or outdoor use. We build these units from cutting to welding, assembly, powder coating, electrical, and quality control inspection. Contact us with your custom specifications and we'll build your power distribution dream. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.